Welcome to the course BIR60104, Quantitative Research Method in Language Teaching. Uncover hidden patterns, unleash the power of statistics, and unleash the thrill of making data-driven discoveries. In this video, we'll explore the fundamental concepts and purposes of educational research. Centuries ago, people explored various methods to acquire knowledge about the world around them. In general, there are 6 fascinating methods of knowledge acquisition, each holding its own unique charm. First up, we have beliefs, those deeply rooted ideas and convictions that guide our understanding of the world. Then comes intuition, that gut feeling or inner sense that helps us make quick judgments. Next on our journey is authority, which means learning from the wisdom and knowledge of experts and trusted sources. We also gather knowledge through rationalism, using logical reasoning to deduce facts and truths. Of course, experience plays a significant role in our quest for knowledge. By living, observing, and learning from our own encounters, we gain valuable insights. Finally, we have science, the pinnacle of knowledge acquisition. Through systematic, evidence-based inquiry, science helps us unravel the mysteries of the universe. Education is all about acquiring knowledge, honing skills, and understanding the world around us. But there's more to it. Let's dive deeper into Matherson's 4 key aspects of education. Aspect I focuses on the what in education. Imagine teachers guiding their young learners with purposeful intent. Education isn't just about filling minds with facts. It's a journey to equip students with relevant knowledge and skills they'll need in life. Aspect 2 addresses the who, how, where, and when of education. Picture a vibrant exchange between teachers, students, and even technology. In this process, knowledge and skills are shared in classrooms, homes, and through digital wonders. Aspect 3 explores the why in education. Imagine students discovering the value and application of what they've learned. Education becomes meaningful when it empowers students' knowledge and skills in solving challenges. Aspect 4 delves into the why of education's ethical dimension. Education instills morals and values, guiding students to be responsible society. Imagine educational research as if it were a detective's investigation into the world of education. Just like detectives, researchers are on a mission to collect and analyze information to better understand how things work. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about what research is all about. Research is like a scientific adventure. We use systematic inquiry to discover new facts, interpret events, behaviors, or theories. It's all about gathering data and analyzing it to see if there are connections or relationships between the things we're studying. Imagine a math teacher wants to know if there's a connection between students' attitudes towards math and their scores. Here's how they would do it scientifically. Step 1. Forming a hypothesis. The teacher makes a tentative statement based on existing research that suggests there might be a link between attitudes and achievement. They state their hypothesis, called the null hypothesis, which says there is no significant relationship between the two. Step 2. Hypothesis testing next. The teacher collects data using a proper research design and ensures it's reliable. They'll use questionnaires to gauge students' attitudes towards science and achievement tests to measure their science performance. Step 3. Data collection. With the data in hand, the teacher uses statistical tests to analyze it. This helps them determine if the null hypothesis should be accepted or rejected. Step 4. Acceptance or rejection. If the data shows a significant relationship between attitudes and achievement, the null hypothesis is rejected, meaning there is a connection. But if the data doesn't show a significant relationship, the null hypothesis is accepted. This suggests no significant link between attitudes and achievement. And there you have it. That's how research can help us discover important connections and make informed conclusions. Did you know research can be categorized into 4 main types? First, pure or basic research. This type of research aims to develop theories and discover fundamental facts to expand our knowledge. Think of it as exploring the unknown to understand the underlying principles of various phenomena. Second, applied or field research. Applied research takes the knowledge gained from basic research and uses it to solve problems. It's all about taking what we know and applying it practically to improve our daily lives. Third, action research. Action research is conducted by practitioners, like teachers, to address specific issues. It's a continuous and cyclical process where educators identify a problem, take action to solve it, and then reflect on the results to make improvements. Fourth, evaluation research. This type of research assesses the effectiveness of specific projects to see if they achieved their original goals. It's about evaluating the outcomes and impacts of different initiatives. So, in a nutshell, research comes in various forms. From exploring new frontiers of knowledge to solving everyday problems. And even evaluating the success of projects. It's a powerful tool for making discoveries and driving positive change. Now, let's do task 2. Are you ready? How can educational researchers effectively integrate the 6 methods of knowledge acquisition mentioned in the text with the 4 key aspects of education highlighted by Matherson? Consider the implications of this integration for educational research in the development of innovative teaching practices. Please be attentive to this task. I'd like each of you to submit your answers to Padlet by the end of next week. It's important to note that your attention. Hope you have enjoyed the video.